Only one entry. With due respect. Set to go. Good luck on your pick 5 choices for the third set. Stand by for a dispatch. 1,300 meters distance. And there are. We've got a scramble for front position, and there goes Mabalor to grab your lead, running by the rail. Is Gungadin then racing in third. Is runner number 8 Ziki as they race towards the half mile pole. Mabalor leading the field over Gungadin in second, Ziki running in third. Down in police Yellow Storm then comes with due respect as they round towards the 600. Mabalor still leading the field over Gungadin, Ziki with due respect now moving up to take fourth, followed by Yellow Storm as they round towards the 450. Is still without pressure in front is Mabalor this time by some 3 to 4 lengths, running now in secondary outside with due respect and Ziki, and down the stretch they go. It's still Mabalor leading the field over with due respect in second with 150 to race. Mabalor leading the field over with due respect with 50 meters. The horse of Big Boss James Anthony Rabano, Mabalor, wins the race over with due respect, close between Ziki and 2A.
Okay.